Welcome, fellow traders. Today, I'm excited to share with you the secrets behind mastering the 200 EMA. Get ready to unlock a whole new level of trading success. What is the 200 EMA, you ask? It stands for the 200-day Exponential Moving Average, a powerful indicator used by seasoned traders to identify trends and make informed trading decisions. The 200 EMA acts as a dynamic support or resistance level, providing valuable insights into the market's direction. When the price remains above the 200 EMA, it signals an uptrend, and conversely, when it dips below, it indicates a downtrend. But wait, there's more. The 200 EMA is not just a trend identifier, it also acts as a significant psychological level for traders. When the price approaches the 200 EMA, it often experiences increased buying or selling pressure, creating lucrative trading opportunities. Now, let's dive into some strategies to effectively utilize the 200 EMA. Firstly, we have the golden cross. This occurs when the short-term moving average, such as the 50 EMA, crosses above the 200 EMA, indicating a bullish trend reversal. Another powerful strategy is the retest and bounce. When the price retests the 200 EMA after breaking above or below it, and bounces back, it confirms the strength of the trend. Additionally, keep an eye out for the pullback entries. During a strong trend, the price often pulls back to the 200 EMA before resuming its upward or downward movement. This offers an opportune moment to enter trades at favorable prices. Lastly, as a bonus point, I'm going to share a valuable tip for maximizing your trading success. Combine the 200 EMA with other indicators, such as oscillators or volume analysis, to confirm your trading signals. This synergy can greatly enhance the accuracy of your trades and boost your profits. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to master the 200 EMA and unveil the trading secrets hidden within. Remember, practice and discipline are key to successful trading. Thank you for joining me today. Now, go out there, apply these strategies, and may the 200 EMA guide you to profitable trades. Happy trading! It's important to adjust the script to fit the time constraint of 2 minutes while ensuring all the essential information is covered.